Welcome back to the channel, guys. How are you? I hope you all are doing good and everything's fine. We're back with a new linked list exercise. We're still in the singly linked list. Uh, Today, we're diving into what ChatGPT calls reverse a linked list. So, yalla, let's begin. Let's say close all of this. First, let's go and read what it needs us to do exactly. Uh, Here, write a function that reverses the linked list, so the last node becomes the head and the head becomes the last node. Input list, output. Okay, so it's just like we're reversing an array, but we're not reversing an array, we're reversing a linked list. It's the same concept. So let's start those things, like when including the header and everything, just feels like repetitive work over time. They should be like in the uh, they should be included. Like there shouldn't be need for us to write these things because oh my god, those just be repetitive every time. But just here I'm declaring my node and yeah, let's go. Struct node, create list. We're always taking user input. Uh, we're always taking user input when formatting the list. This helps me uh, be more familiar with my current study. Okay. This should take a parameter that the user would specify. So it like we're gonna ask the user, and how many nodes do you want to have in this linked list, and they will specify n nodes, and we'll loop until we reach n. Now we have to create our new node, and this will be dynamically created. And because we are creating nodes dynamically each time we iterate, we have to allocate a new size or new space in the memory for that node. So we're going to have to use malloc, and we need to allocate for this node the size of struct node, which has the size of an integer and a space for pointer. Well, I'm not quite sure that a pointer takes space in memory. We'll look for that after. Next equal null, because this will marks the end of our uh, of our linked list. Well, I hope I'm not making any typo, lol, because this always happens. It happens that many times I did forget to input the I+1. Well, I'm assuming that this is all easy for you because we have done this so many times. Now we have to return head. This, I think now we're done creating the list. Now we have to print it, struct node, print list. We'll take struct node head, struct node pose miss pointer equal head y current is not null. What do I have to do? Printf percentage the current data current equal current next. We have here to current equal head. Of course, we're returning head again. Now we did finish the creating and the printing of the list. Now we're going to write the function. Okay, so here begins our problem, which is what reverse list, and it's also going to take a list to reverse. All right, let's get at the hints. You'll need the three pointers. Previews initially null, current starts at head, and next temporary store current next. All right, let's just implement those. Okay. Also struct node previews equal null. Oh my god, what happened here? And struct node. I'm not sure if that's correct. Current equal head and struct node. Next, that is in that already. Current next equal current equal null. Let's initialize it at null. Wait, you need three pointers, previews to initially null, current start at head. That's done by me. Next to temporary store current next. Okay, to the temporary store current next. Well, so I don't think I will need this here. I need this inside the loop. So while current is not null, here I have to define struct node next equal current, and since current is at head, it will always start here. Current is at head, so struct node next equal current. Okay. Well, here there's no previews because the previews of head is null. Um, pum, 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 pum. Mm, I don't know. Okay, yes, I do know. Struct node next equal current. Okay, so previews equal current next. No, that's next. That's not current. Lol. Previews equal current next. No, 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 no. Well, I need to link them. Let's. Okay, what do I have to do? I have to reverse the list. I want to take. I want to irritate tells it reached the half of the list. Yes, I don't think that's correct. Maybe I should loop till. Am I reversing the list, right? The idea is to reverse the direction of each next pointer while moving through the list. Don't forget to update the head at the end to point to the new front. So you call in main after creating and printing the list. Well, guys, think with me. What do we have to do in here? Struct no. Okay. All right. Can we just try something? Oh my God. Okay, now we're at we are at the very first node in the linked list. That's true. We have to. What do we have to do? Okay, we have to first unlink this node and link into the next. Then, oh no, it doesn't work that way. It will be lost in the memory if we did unlink it. It needs to stay connected or linked to at least one node in the linked list. So hello, this is me. I was wondering if all these issues like to me to go all everything. They say that I'm supposed to hear, but I ain't done much here. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about how we used to be when we were young and free. So hello from the other side. Oh my god, what the hell? I don't know if I'm going to upload this after all, but you know, what do we have to do? Oh my god. Okay, let's settle this. Oh, here, I'm sorry. Oh no, this will not. Hmm. Oh my god. Let's go. Struct. It is as simple as just let's let's work with the array, like how we did with the array. Struct node current equal struct node next equal current. Oh, I have to treat head differently. If current equal head, then don't do previous. Previous is still equal to null. Current next equal current next. If current equal head, there is no previews. What we have to do in here, we just okay. Let's go else previews. Okay, so here previews equal head. Now previews next equal previews next equal head next. Okay, so now we started. So we don't need also preview because current has the same value in here. Maybe while current equal head. Oh no. So for head, we have, oh, no, maybe we don't have to treat. Wait, do I have to treat head as a special case because it got no previews? Let's see what will it say to us. Not really. That's a bit of front approach for reverse think. Yeah, I knew that head should not be treated differently. Here's why you start and current equal head. The first station you do current next equal previews. Since prep is not the original head is correct functional, which is exactly what you want for the new tail. Then you move previews equal current. Yes, I didn't read much of that, so but I know that I shouldn't treat head at a different as a different case or specific case because goodness, what we have to start. Well, let's start. Previews equal null. You start with previews equal null and current equal head. That is correct. I did that. In the first iteration, you do current next equal previews. Current next equal previews. So now current next equal null. So head next equal null. Yeah, that is correct because at the very at the end of the traversing, current will become the tail, and the next of the tail will be null. Of course, yes, that is true and makes sense. Since previews is not the original head correspond to null exactly, then you move previous current previews equal current equal next. No, no. This won't work here because head is at the very end. Hmm. Let's go to main and see. Opa. Oh my god, we have problem with the input? Oh yeah. Oh no, we don't have. Oh, we have to do the address, but current is a pointer. Oh, well, maybe. I don't think we have to do such thing here because current is already. Yo, this is was not the problem. What's the problem? Struct no new node equal new node next equal head equal null head equal new node and current equal new node that current next equal new node current equal Scan a percentage T. This shouldn't be initialized to anything. Uh, hmm, oh wait, is it like I want five nodes? Ah, okay. So the problem is happening into this input here. With the scanf percentage D, maybe it should be current data. Let me see other exercises that I made. Let's go to the 15. Oh, but how? Oh my God, bro, that was so stupid of me. This not current. This happens in the printing thing. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, that happens. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It will go work this time. So yeah, it did print 56909, but we have to, yeah. Let's say printf the list is okay. And we have to print list. We didn't print head. Okay, the list is 45909. We did the input correctly, the printing correctly. The reversing did not work. So it printed only the first head of the first value of the, which means I did not even get changed. So struct node next equal current next. This is not changing anything. Current next, current. Wait, let's just delete all of this and start thinking logically. I want the head to keep walking until current equal null. So head equal what? Current next. Okay. So now the head is in the at the end. The head now is the tail. All right. Uh, let's read the hint. You start with previous equal null and current equal head. Previous current equal head. In the first iteration, you do current next equal previous. But why so? If I did write that, current next equal previous. So that we're saying in the very first iteration that the second node should be the previous node. Since previous is null, the original head now correctly points to null. Then you move previous equal current and current equal next. Previous equal current and current equal next. But next is not identified. So subtract node next equal current next. I don't think that worked. I do not think that's going to work. Yeah, we went through an infinite loop and we don't have to do that. No. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT because I honestly. I see small issues. Allergy is almost correct, but the next is the only step before the loop after the first next step. Consider, yeah. Next should be initialized to null. Okay. Next equal current next. Next equal current next. Yes, that's true. Current next. Next. Okay. Next. ec- let's imagine that next that current equal the head. We're saying that next is the second node and the current next equal previews equal current equal next. Mm, yeah, push it here return preview. That's correct. I know that this has a problem, but didn't know what problem and didn't know how to solve it. Of course, I wouldn't know how to solve it because I didn't know what was the problem in the first place. Mm, okay, but I still don't understand the logic. I'm going to run the program to see if it works. Then I'm going to analyze it. Okay. Okay. So no, yes. Reverse list. Let's put list. Mm, the list is 09645 Yes, that's correct. It did work. Let's just extract node. Yeah, it's already built in. Extract node. Free. Free Jad, because my name is Jad. It's going to extract node. Add. Well, let's see what ChatGPT has to say about my code. Oh. Hmm. Well, it doesn't need a pointer, right? It doesn't need pointing at void will crash. Mm, okay, let's go here to understand the logic because this is everything. Struct node reverse list. We started by saying that struct node previews equal null, current equal head, and next equal null. That is correct. What current equal is not null, that we use this to traverse the list. This is also familiar and this is also practical. We say that next equal current next. So we're saying we didn't find that. Next, this first iteration, well, comments are for the first iteration. Here, next equal head next equals second node current next, so that means head next equal previews equal null previews null equal head, huh, head equal next, head equals second node, no, next, oh no, this does not make any sense. This does not make any freaking sense. Next. Next equal current next. Next, what is next? It's null. We assign for the pointer next or the node next, we assign for the node next the value that follows it. Current next equal preview. Current next now now the second node or the following oh, node now holds its previews node structure. Let me say that again. We assign for the node next the value that follows it. Okay, so next is moving from becoming from being the first till it's reached the last. Okay, now this then the value that should be next to current is previous one is the previous equal current. Oh, that's how we're linking the lists. Okay, so just flipping it in place. Previous equal current. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I did that. I think I understand now. Thanks.